Okay, 338 arc, 502 yards. And I'm going to be completely out of reticle. Kevin, what are we doing? I'm aiming to the moon over here.
I just switched to black hot and I can see a little bit better.
All right, we ready?
Rock and roll.
Oh, I'm high. I see it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to get it in 2 shots. I know exactly where it is. Oh my goodness. My heart's pumping now. I know exactly where it is. Oh, I'm high again. Okay, okay. We are at the extreme limits of what is possible for for
How fast is that guy moving?
like 10:30. And you can tell in the reticle here that I am aimed to the moon. Look!
Hey! Look at that!
Woo! Oh my gosh. 502.
502 in the dark.
Took me 3 shots.
Nice job. Nice job.
Okay. Okay. I don't know what's more fun than that. I don't know. I do not know what's more fun than that.